Here I take a look at the Raycon Fitness Open Earbuds. As you can see just here, I'm going to open these up with you guys live. And there's a Raycon packaging as always. Always looking very, very nice. Lovely kind of sporty look. We take it out. Start with, we've got an instruction guide just there. Kind of a bit more about how to set it up and what to do with it. So put that back in there. And then we've got the hearing aids just here. Now look at that lovely color. So I got these in blue. So here they are just here. Now doesn't that look lovely? Look at that lovely, beautiful color, how it shines off there. We open up and there are the open earbuds just there. Now, again, there's each one just there. Now to start with, they feel so light, which is great. You can hardly feel them all on my hand. Now these have 8 hours charge each, and with the case you get 40 hours in there. They've also got Bluetooth 5.2, which gives you a good stable connection. And you can see these, we're going to show how on your ears, but you see how they're flexible, so they can fit on your ears. So you've got the part there that sits actually in your ear there, and you've got the ergonomic design there. You can also rotate them there to fit them depending on what you want. They've also got a digital signal processing amplifier in there, which basically amplifies your voices and reduces background noise. So it's great when you're on calls and when you're hearing people as well. But look at this design. They feel like a really nice build. Great design. And again, I love that color. And the case is magnetic as well. So you pop them in here like this, like that. So it pops in there, and then you pop the other one in there, just like this. So very small. I mean, that's the size of it compared to my hand. Very light as well. And you got the USB-C cable there as well. If you've got a lanyard as well, you can use that to carry it. Very, very nice. Let's go back to the case and have a look. So we've got the other cables in there as well. So you've got the USB-C cable to charge it. And that's it as well. No frills, which is nice with this, which I really like. Now, these also come in 4 different colors. Well, you got the black, you got dark blue, you got the teal, and you got like a light purple kind of color as well. I'm just going to look a bit closer again and have a look at it. So there it is just there. I mean, doesn't that look lovely? And see how it can move depending on your ear. So I'm going to go and put these on in our full review and show you what they look like. But very nice earbuds.